benchmarks in pricing. What you see on my screen is a pricing tool. It's on the web. I spent a bit of time using ChatGPT and Grok to develop a code and then deploy it. I'm not going to go into details how I did this. It wasn't complicated. It doesn't take really much time. So I have a few sections here. This is first of all construction pricing calculator. So user picks an activity that they want to price, put quantities and assign teams that are going to do the work, hours, and you can see rates, how much it's going to cost to assign each employees and equipment. Same idea, pick equipment, then do the same for materials, calculate. Then it gives you this cost breakdown. And on top of it, what it does, it pulls out data from priorly completed work, priorly completed projects to estimate how much time, efforts, materials, and equipment is going to take. It took in the past to complete similar kind of work. And then it runs comparison. This tool runs comparison against, what's priced in this tool to actually give you details for variances based on historical projects. In order to develop this kind of benchmarks, you can do it twofolds. You can go into your system, pull out flat either Excel files or TXT or CSV, whatever data format is available, and then either crunch it yourself to actually develop, to calculate averages, how much efforts and it took in the past. You can look at usage of equipment, materials for each completed project, and from there you can actually develop benchmarks, which you can use for pricing purposes, or you can actually feed that information into ChatGPT. You can obviously delete data that you don't want to be on the web. ChatGPT says that it's actually deleting all files after you finish your chats. And then so that way you can develop your benchmarks that you can use for pricing purposes. You can use for to estimate performance through the life of your contracts, of your projects, and that's I think is very useful tool. Yeah, thank you. Bye.